Let me show you what I'm inspecting today. This is a real example to show. So we arrived at Fiat, right? When you start looking at it, what's the first thing? Oh, the number plates are cracked. And central locking doesn't work. Clusters are cracked. Corrosion, paintwork everywhere. Doors just about opening. That's inside of the vehicle. That door just about, you need a force to open it. Everything is super dirty. Even the VIN number plate is full of oil. I'm suspecting this vehicle has a cold start issue. All the panels are heavily wear and tear. If you can notice it around here. Same situation you have on the outside. So it's got all the corrosion all the way around. Brakes are pads are 10% left. Discs are completely worn. So we have to scrap the battery. Everything here is broken. The air inlet for the mass air flow is disconnected. So like I said, I'm suspecting it's got a cold start issue. As the customer arrived, and the vehicle was already warm. So once it's warm, it's got fuel pressure issues. It will start. So that's the beauty. Alloy was in a poor condition. It's sealed because it was a leak. Let's go underneath the vehicle. This is the vehicle where sand painted corrosion on the right. Exhaust moving around. We had huge failures before. Heavy corrosion on suspension parts. All the plastics missing. Pipes corroded here. Some corroded, you know. And on this side here, headlights are cracked, broken. It's got rattle noise in the turning engine off. So yeah, let me continue. Central locking doesn't work. This key is not even cut. It's unlocking. The doors, buttons are broken, but it's not locking the door. So like I said, there is fault codes regards to glow plug feedback circuit shorts ground, so it was flashing on a start, so I believe there's a cold start issue. So this is what you don't want customer to buy. Roof dented, corrosion everywhere. You know, obviously, if you take it for free, get it fixed, maybe you can get something out of it. But you'll need rear drums, handbrake leak. And last glimpse of the poor work van.